Hey guys, I'm Akhilesh Shetty. So today we are going to revise some important formulas from CA Final SFM portfolio management. So this video is mainly for those people who are in CA Final and those who are not, they can just ignore this video. Let us start with revising all these formulae, all these important formulas from portfolio management. These formulas have been taken out from your ICI practice manual. So these are ICI formulas. So let us revise this formula. So we'll start this formula revising. The first formula is probable return. So what is the formula for probable return? So return is your dividend plus price appreciation. So D1 plus P1 minus P0. P0 is your initial investment divided by P0. So this is the formula for probable return. After that, risk of portfolio. So this formula, if you want to learn this formula, you need to learn this in a tone. So the tone is weight square into standard deviation square plus weight square into standard deviation square plus 2 into weight into standard deviation into RAB. So weight square A into standard deviation square A plus weight square B into standard deviation square of B plus 2 into weight A into weight B into standard deviation A into standard deviation B into correlation AB. After that, this is under root. Okay, so after that, the another formula is your correlation. Correlation of AB is covariance of AB divided by standard deviation of A into standard deviation of B. So first, covariance of AB divided by standard deviation of A into standard deviation of B. Okay, then minimum risk portfolio. Minimum risk portfolio is a critical formula. So formula is we will revise the second formula. It is quite simpler. So weight of A is equal to standard deviation square of B minus covariance of AB divided by standard deviation square of A plus standard deviation square of B minus covariance AB. So learn like this: standard deviation square of B minus 2 covariance AB divided by standard deviation square of A minus 2 covariance AB plus standard deviation square of B. So this is like your A minus B square ka formula. A square minus 2AB plus B square. So standard deviation square A minus 2 covariance AB plus standard deviation square B. Okay, after that we will revise covariance formula. Covariance of AB is correlation AB into standard deviation A into standard deviation B. Okay, so this is a simple formula. After that, characteristics line का formula is your y is your y bar is equal to return on your stock, average return on your stock. Y bar is equal to alpha plus beta RM. So RM is return on your market. So average return of market. So y is equal to alpha plus beta RM. So this formula is modified like alpha is equal to y bar is your stock return minus beta average return on your market. Okay, after that the next formula is systematic risk. Systematic risk ka formula is beta of portfolio square into standard deviation square of M. So beta of portfolio square into standard deviation square of market. Okay, unsystematic risk, this is systematic risk. So unsystematic risk ka formula is total risk minus unsystematic risk. Total risk minus unsystematic risk. So what is total risk? Standard deviation square of M is your total risk. Okay, so total risk minus systematic risk is your unsystematic risk. Okay, security market line is your simple formula. RF, risk free return, plus RM minus RF is your security premium into beta. Okay, risk premium. RF plus RM minus RF into beta. Okay, after this, covariance between any two stock. So beta of one stock into beta of another stock into standard deviation square of market. Beta of one stock into beta of another stock into standard deviation square of market. Okay, so third formula, another formula is that this formula is in line with your formula for risk of portfolio. So but in this formula there are three components A, B and C, three factors A, B and C. So we need to learn this formula, but the basic principle of this formula is same, like weight square into standard deviation square plus weight square into standard deviation square plus 2 into weight into standard deviation square, standard deviation into R. Okay, but in this formula some modifications have been done by ICF, and this modification is only formula based. This is not, there is nothing innovation. Okay, so the formula is standard deviation square of A into weight square of A. Okay, standard deviation square of B into weight square of B, standard deviation square of C into standard deviation of weight square of C. Okay, so first of all we have covered all the squares, then plus okay, 2 into covariance AB into weight of A into weight of B. So covariance AB का formula क्या है, R AB into standard deviation A into standard deviation B. So this has been taken out and covariance AB has been put it into formula. Okay, so 2 into covariance AB into weight A into weight B, 2 into covariance BC into weight A into weight B into weight C, 2 into covariance AC into weight A into weight C. So this is the formula. So you can take out this diagram, you can write this diagram, so it will be beneficial for you. Then the Sharpe ratio का formula is Sharpe ratio RP minus RF, risk of portfolio minus risk free returns divided by return from portfolio minus risk free return divided by standard deviation P. When there is a Sharpe, there is a standard deviation SS. Okay, so learn like this. This is a basic trick. Okay, so formula is return from portfolio minus return from risk free return divided by standard deviation P. Then trainer ratio, so trainer का ratio is RP minus RF, return from portfolio minus return from risk free return divided by beta P, beta of portfolio. So this is your trainer ratio. And another, the arbitrage pricing theory. So expected return ER का formula क्या है, RF is your risk free return plus beta 1 into factor 1, beta 2 into factor 2 and beta n into factor 1. So if there are numerous factors, though you need to calculate beta into factor and sum them up and add with RF. Okay, so these are some important formulas from your portfolio management theory. So if you like this video, kindly share with your colleagues so they can use this video for their revision. So thank you so much.